Hello students of Standard 4. Welcome to Dairy Mall Public School online session of Social Science. Students, let's begin a new topic. Let us travel. Look at this picture. Students, so many means of transport as here. As we know about that, all the transport, road, railways, water transport and air transport. We use that all transport according to the distance and the time. If our location is so far away from us, and the time is limit we have, that time we use the air transport. Time is so limited and distance is so long and not possible cover our distance as per the time. That time we just use the air transport. But road transport, we commonly use the road transport. And waterways, yes, waterways is very rarely we use the waterways transport. So listen that incident, how they use the transport according to the distance and time. Sonali works in Gurgaon. She is getting married in Meerut. Her sister Neha and her husband are coming from Dubai by an aeroplane. Her uncle's family is coming from Ahmedabad by train. Her grandparents are coming from Delhi to car. Her friends have hired a taxi to take them from Delhi to Meerut to attend the wedding. Her relatives who live close by would be coming by auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, bus, scooter, motorcycle, car or taxi. It means they cover the distance as per the time they use the mean of transport. So, student, it is required, it's depend the time and distance. So, we use the mean of transport as per according to our distance and our money and our time. So, this is very important. Factors depends upon use and choice of the mean of transport, means distance, time and money. The selection depends upon the time and the money they want to spend on travel. If we want to reach a far off place very quickly, air travel will be the choice, but train travel gives a better chance to view the scenery as the train passes through different places. Moreover, railways are ideal for transporting heavy goods and are economically. But road transport like cycle, car, bus, etc. it is best choice for traveling over short distance. It provides door-to-door service. If you stand on the main road of a small town in the morning, you would see hundreds of workers, laborers riding on bicycle to go to their workplace. A similar scene can be seen in the evening when they are coming back from their home. So, some means of transport using as per their areas. So, student, areas also affect on the choice of the transport. So, we will continue this topic in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.